For this video, what I'm going to show you is some more complex ways to make windows and to put them on, say, like different sides of your object. Now, what we have to understand is that if I put a window on something, it's probably parallel to the wall. So if I have this incredibly stereotypical little home, right? So what's going to happen is that the bottom of my wall is horizontal, the bottom of my window is horizontal, the top of my window is horizontal, the top of my wall is horizontal. All these lines are parallel to each other, okay? If I look at my house at a different angle, that's still true. So if I put a window on the side here, my wall is straight up and down, the front of my window is straight up and down. This wall is going back to my vanishing point on the top of my window goes back to my vanishing point. The bottom of the wall is going to the vanishing point. So the top of, I'm sorry, the bottom of the window also goes to the vanishing point. Sorry, it's a struggle. The back of the wall is straight up and down. The back of the window is straight up and down. Now, all I have to understand is direction. If I am standing out here, there's a guy out in your lawn because you didn't get off your lawn, and he's like, look at that, right? And he's pointing into your house because he's invasive like that, right? And so what's going to happen, he's going into the house this way. So my corner goes into the house, same direction. I could leave it at that, but if I want this to be more realistic, your wall on a house probably has some thickness. So these two lines are parallel, and these two lines are parallel. I'm going to erase this. Now we might have a floor in there, which I could take from that back corner right there, by the way. That would be inside the house, right? Inside the house is a demon rabbit, evil rabbit here. Grr, evil rabbit, right? Evil rabbit. Okay, so that's why he's pointing, because you'd be afraid of that too, right? If I do this thing on the top, it's exactly the same. Okay, so this roof, horizontal, beginning of the window, horizontal. Okay, so going back to the vanishing point, window goes back to the vanishing point. This goes back to the vanishing point. This goes back to the vanishing point. This is horizontal. This is horizontal. All exactly the same. Okay. Now, if you are crazy and you are diving into your rooftop pool, of course, because that's what we all have, right? You're going straight down. So from this corner, I go straight down. It happened to run up with that corner. That's just a coincidence, okay? It's not actually what happened. Once again, if I want to give this some thickness, make these both go to the vanishing point, make these parallel, right? And here, this will make more sense if we have a rooftop pool. This is going to be water, okay? And I'm going to put some little ripples here, which I'm going to run horizontal because water is level. And there we go. Okay, so these window things work everywhere.